Hello students, in this video we will learn how to use two advanced features of MS Word, which are find text and find and replace. So let us start. Here first of all we will discuss about find text. Sometimes we need to know how many times and where some text, some word is written in a document. In a word, suppose we have written 10 or 20 pages, and if you want to know how many times and where is the word has been written, then to know these things we use the find text. So we will understand here how to use the find text feature of the MS Word. Here, to utilize find text feature, of MS Word, we first select the find text option, which is present in the editing group of home tab. Right here you can see this is the editing group of home tab is, and here find, replace, select and add editing options are there. Right, and here we are going to understand about the use of find text. That is why we will click here the find. Right, so here this advanced feature of find text has been given in the editing group of home tab. Right, editing group of home tab. So what has been written here, let us see. You can quickly search for every occurrence of a specific word or phrase in Word document, even through the document may up to several pages. We have already discussed this, that if we have prepared a document of many pages, and if we want to find about a word or phrase, how many times and where are the word located in the document, then we utilize the find text option. So here how can we use this? Here on the home tab in the editing group, here this is editing group. In the editing group find option is there. Right, in the editing group 5 option is there. It means first of all you will click on the home tab. After that you will see that in editing group find option is there, and you will click on that. When you click on this thing, what will appear? Here this will make a navigation panel to appear as the left hand panel of the workspace. Here a navigation, when we click on the find, a navigation panel appear. You can see here, this is the navigation panel, right? And this is the navigation panel, and you can type here the word which you want to search, and here you can jump here using this button. You can go to the next button using this upper arrow. You can go to the previous one, and this is the close button. So first of all you will type the word here, and then search will be done. Alright, so here type in any text in the text box provided and word searches for the given text. In the entire text, highlighted every occurrence for word in yellow. It means when you type the word in the navigation panel, in the text box in the navigation panel, words are searched in the document and they are highlighted with yellow color, right? They are highlighted with yellow color. Now you may scroll the document to see occurrence of, or click down a below text box. Click down or click down arrow below the text box to jump to the next occurrence, or click on the up arrow to jump to the previous occurrence of the word. It means we have provided with three options here: up arrow, down arrow, and scroll bar, right? To go to the words, okay, we can use any of these three options to see the word's position and location, right? By the scroll we can go to the next. We can see various places of the word where they are, and otherwise we can, if we want to go to the word, then one by one, then we can click the up arrow and down arrow. Up arrow, by using up arrow you will go to the previous word, and by using down arrow you will go to the next word. And this is how you can search uh, the next word, right? Now next thing, this facility is used to only see the position or location of the word. Then options, once you are done with the searching operations, click on close button of the navigation pane to close it. It means here you can't change the things, but this thing is only used to see the position of the word or phrase where these are present in the document. But sometimes we need to search and replace. We need to search and replace word. Then in such condition we use the find and replace text. Find and replace text. For example, you have used a name. Suppose there is a story you have written, and in the name there is a character Ranjit, and if you want to, you have written the spelling of Ranjit is Ranjit, but in whole of the story, but now you need to change it. You want to change the spelling of the Ranjit and you want to make it Ranjit. So it means you have to find out where this word is used, has been used in whole document, and you will have to replace this word Ranjit with the Ranjit. So in this condition you have to find and replace the word. That is why here another advanced feature, find and replace text, has been given, right? So let us see how can we utilize this option, right? Find and replace is used to search for a particular word and replace each occurrence of that word with another word, right? It means we can find the word and we can replace. Now how can we utilize this? To use the find and replace option of word, use the following steps. What are the steps? First, on the home tab in editing group, click on the replace button, right? For example, here look at this. At the home screen, when you click on the home tab, you will see in the editing group there are find, replace and select buttons are there, and here you have to click on the replace button, right? On the replace button. So when we click on the replace button, find and replace feature will appear. Now you will be presented with a find and replace dialog box, figure 3.10. On the find what text box, type the text you want to search for and the replace with the text box, type in the text which you want to replace, right? So you can see here And here the first text box that you see, first text box is text box of find what. In this text box you will type the word you want to search, and after that here when your search will the words will be searched, then here you can utilize the options. Replace, here replace option is there, replace all, find it next, and cancel options, right? So here if some word you can write here the Ranjit, RANJIT, and if you want to replace, here you write the correct spelling, and after that replace all, you will click on replace all, and this is how your all the words, all the names where RANJIT has been written will be converted into RANJEET, Ranjit. So this is how you can change the word. Now here what has been given, do one of the following things. It means what can you do here? To find the next occurrence of the next, click find next. If you want to go to the next word, we can click the several options. To replace occurrence of the text, replace, click replace. After you click on replace, would move to the next occurrence on the clicks, next occurrence of the text. It means if you want to change one by one, then click on replace, and to replace all occurrence of the text, replace all, as we have discussed. If you want to replace all the words, then what will be used? We will use here the all, right? We will use here the all button. Clear? Now it means our whole work has been done. So to exit from the find and replace dialog box, click on the cancel button or hit on the escape key on the keyboard. When our work is done, now we can come out from this feature, from this option, using cancel button or hitting escape key. And we have some shortcut keys here. Control F is used for the find feature, and Control H is used to find and replace. It means we have used here two advanced feature, find, and second one is find and replace. So here two shortcut keys are there for starting these two things. Control F for find and Control H for okay. And here Control F to find the text using the navigation panel, and Control H to replace the text. It means Control H is used to replace and Control F is used to start find. Another thing is that You can jump to a certain page in Word document by clicking on F5 function key and in the Go tab enter page number. It means if a document is more than one page, then we can utilize F5 key to jump on the other page, or we can click the go to tab and we can enter the uh, page number and we can go to the next page. So this is all about the using find and replace. These two options we have learned here, using how to use find option and how to use find and replace text. So this is all about this video. In the next video we will learn the advanced and most important feature, that is mail merge, right?